faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for their daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. And I find it kinda funny, I find it kinda sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad world.
In this time of shattered ideals and lost promise, we as people are searching desperately for something to believe in. In a time of differences and division, we seek faith like an oasis in a desert. And yet in this age of cynicism and doubt, we seek and demand proof. Proof of our existence, proof of destiny and fate. In this time, are we brave enough not to allow the fear or hope of the unknown to shape our lives?
Only the good things.
Why not if given the chance, even if it's abstract?
If you know your future, you could be a little more prepared for it.
Things do come true because I've seen it by my own self.
I don't know, I think I'm kind of scared.
क्योंकि एक गरीब आदमी हमेशा यही चाहता है क्योंकि उसकी वो इतनी फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं होती कि वो इतना बड़ा बन सके.
I'm too scared of the bad things.
और अगर किसी को पता ही है तो might as well get to know it.
Anything bad that can happen in your future, even if it's a small thing, can cause a lot of premature misery.
Since if I know something's going to happen, तो वो ज़रा difficult हो जाएगा मेरे लिए to, you understand.
Twins, a bright sunny kitchen.
Successful businessman of Pakistan.
Good job, stable life, lots of money.
To be very successful and to be in a very secure relationship.
पाकिस्तान में हर जगह हर शहर में मेरे घर हो गए.
खूबसूरत बीवी, खूबसूरत बीवियाँ और थोड़े से बच्चे, अच्छे प्यारे बच्चे.
और बहुत सारी बिल्कुल यूनिक सी गाड़ियाँ.
Lots of money.
A good career, ढेर सारा पैसा, ढेर सारी खुशी.
A lot of women.
The Palme d'Or. And just happiness, contentment.
Have you ever been to an astrologer?
Yes, I have.
Lots of pounds.
Yeah, like twice.
I've been to Komal Tariq, Baistal, Matiur Rahman.
Yeah, I have.
Yes, I've been to one.
जी जाता हूँ.
Yes, I have.
Yeah.
मैं एक दफ़ा गया था एक नजूमी के पास.
Once I went to this tarot card reader.
He told me that I'd get married to this guy, जिसका नाम A से शुरू होगा. And I was like, okay, because A is not that hard to find. मगर उन दिनों में मेरे लिए एक रिश्ता आया हुआ था जिसका नाम A से नहीं शुरू होता था, बल्कि completely एक I forget the name, but he was very successful and settled and come from a decent family and everything. Perfect एक रिश्ता था. मगर मैंने इसी चक्कर में नहीं की क्योंकि उसका नाम A से नहीं शुरू होता था and ended up getting engaged to somebody जिसका नाम A से शुरू होता था, who was so bad for me.
Well, the astrologer told my mom some really weird things like I can't wash my hair on Wednesdays and Saturdays and that I have to keep my hair tied on certain days and I can't leave the house. And it's creating problems for me because, I'm at the age where I want to go out and I want to have fun with my friends and stuff. And on Saturdays, it's a weekend, I want to go out. And if I try leaving the house, my mom's like, no, you can't leave, ye ho jayega. And then if I go to take a shower, she'll grab me and she'll be like, no, you can't take a shower, you can't wash your hair. You have to keep it tied, and so it's weird.
एक नजमी के पास मैं गया था तो उससे मैंने पूछा कि मैं बाहर करना चाहता हूँ, कैसे करूँ. उसने मुझे बताया कि तुम बाग ले लो उसमें बहुत से पैसे ना पाएंगे। तो मैंने अपने किसी दोस्त से पैसे पकड़ कर तो मैंने भाग लिए। अंदाज़ा था कि 2-3 गाड़ियाँ निकलेंगी। तो वो जब भाग मैंने तोड़ा तो उसमें तो 30-35 हज़ार रुपये मतलब घाटा आ गया। तो अब पिछले 2 साल से वो घाटा नहीं पूरा हो रहा है, तो मैं अब मुसीबत में पड़ गया हूँ। तो अब तो मैं तौबा कर लीजिए काम नहीं करूँगा बिल्कुल।
I was told something, I worked towards that, left what I was doing, and then...
What were you doing before?
I was studying somewhere, I left that place, I went somewhere else. I left that place because, you know,
the whole,
because someone told me that this is going to happen, and I didn't want to believe it, and then I ended up believing it. And after that I realized it's not worth it.
And what about the fact that he said that you're going to get divorced? Are you scared of getting married because of that?
Yeah, that could be it. Obviously. And the fact that I'll have trouble having kids, or that I'll have them much later on. That's obviously scary. I don't want to be 40 and have children.
Whenever I go for a match, I want to bet on a match or anything where I can bet on.
Yeah.
As in, you know, if 2 cards are passing by and I want to bet on it, then, you know, why not?
And you ask your peer कि मैं किस पे bet करूँ, and then...
Definitely. He gives me the colors and he gives me the days.
And it's always true? सही बताते हैं हमेशा?
Not all the time.
तरह लोगों के बातों पे अगर मैं भी उनके पास जाता रहा तो वो मुझे नंबर देते हैं कि आप ये नंबर ले लो, पैसा लेते हैं कि आपको इतना पैसा इनाम निकलेगा, तो आप इस पैसों से फिर बाहर जाने के चक्करों में मैं इसी मसले में पड़ गया। तो इसमें काफ़ी पैसा मैंने लगा दिया, तो बाद में जो पैसा मैंने लगाया था वो मेरे भी मतलब हड़प हो गए और बाद में कुछ भी नहीं मिला। तो उसके बाद मैं तो जो भी मुझसे मिलते हैं उनको मैं कहता हूँ कि लोगों के पास जाना बंद कर दें, तो ये सब फ्रॉड लोगों को धोखा देते हैं।
It's very much like a game. I find it interesting, but I know people who've taken things that these perfect strangers say as, you know, some kind of definite concrete law, and it's never worked well for them. I mean, I had a friend, she was, there were quite a few proposals of marriage for her, and there was one in which she was particularly interested. And just because some astrologer said that the planet said that, you know, this is not going to work, she didn't do it, and she went along with what her family was pressuring her towards, and very sadly now she's divorced.
Do not believe in what people say.
Do not fear the unknown. Do not believe in what you are told. It's your life.
You define your future.
Believe in yourself.